Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Tech Eddie Show. I'm your host, Eddie Ray, where we do tips, tricks, and tutorial videos for live streamers, gamers, and content creators. In today's episode, we're going to unbox and review the WinBridge original voice amplifier, the M700. So hit that like button for us, and let's get started. So a big shout out to WinBridge Power for sending over this review copy of the M700. If you are all interested in this whatsoever, do check it out on Amazon. It goes for $49 right now with free, of course, Prime shipping as well. So again, $49, search for the WinBridge M700. Now I've been using sound systems for about 28 to almost 30 years in my career. I'm an entertainer doing family events, both small and large. So I actually own quite a number of sound systems, both small, medium, and large as well. And I've always found the smaller ones to not be up to par, but this one here is really good. It's good build quality, good sound, and it has a good number of features in it as well for the price point. So let's check it out. I'm going to open this puppy up for you guys today and show you everything that's included with the M700. They do make a variety of models too, so check it out if you're interested online on Amazon. Just search WinBridge sound systems, you'll find a bunch. This comes in the box. This is an actual kind of a catalog for WinBridge Power here. They have a number of systems, so whatever features you may want for yourselves, do some research for them, and I'm sure you'll find a voice amplifier or sound system that works for you. Different models, of course, different wattage, different handheld mics, different headset mics included, depending on what your needs are. But this one here today is actually very, very portable, and it's packed full of features. So that's a little cool catalog included with the box. We also have the owner's manual here, which is very important. This will show you how to set up everything and show you what all of the buttons and bells and whistles do on the sound system. Here's the actual unit itself, and I must say that my first impressions of picking up this when I first opened the box yesterday was that it feels good. It has a good weight to it. Now, it is very small. Fits in the palm of my hand. So you're probably thinking, well, does it use AA batteries or AAA batteries? No. There's actually a rechargeable battery built into this, which gives you 5 to 10 hours of battery life depending upon usage, which is excellent for this size sound system. So again, it feels good. It has good weight. It's not hollow. It's nice hard plastic as well. Nice look to it, pretty sleek too. On the front is your speaker here, of course. There's some rubberized buttons on top for your media playback here. You have an antenna that can pull out here as well, extending about, I would say about maybe 10 inches up. Not bad. Retractable pretty easily too by pushing it all the way in. On top, you have some more rubberized buttons on top. On the back is a belt clip for attaching to your belt or waistline, which is nice. There's also 2 little clips or hooks on the back here, which allows you to attach the strap that's included to it as well for over-the-shoulder use. On this side here, this is our media input. So you can actually insert a micro SD card, I believe, for playback of media files like MP3 music. You also have a USB slot right here. This port will be good for using like a USB media stick with music on it again. Playback music. On-off switches right here with volume control built into that one function button. On this side over here, we have a mic input for the headset mic. Another input as well. So you can actually hook up your phone possibly or a CD player if you wanted to for more music options. A headset port for earbuds or headphones. And also, of course, the DC 5-volt input for charging right there. So again, it feels good, it has good weight to it. It's not overly heavy, but it feels like it's solidly built to last quite a long time. Here is your USB power brick. The USB cable goes into the back of this, of course. This goes into the wall then for charging. The battery will give you 5 to 10 hours of use, which is really good for such a small sound system. So that's excellent. Here is the included USB cable as well. So one end goes into the power brick here. This goes into the wall. This end, of course, goes into then the DC input right here on the side, and you can charge. Again, 5 to 10 hours of battery life in this small sound system, good feature. Here is the included strap for over-the-shoulder use. So it's kind of cool they include that. They also include an audio cable here for connecting your phone or other devices to it as well. And again, a lot of phones nowadays don't have headphone jacks, but you can get, of course, adapters for those. So you can also use your phone to play back music. And here is the headset. Nice flexible arm here, and a nice little windscreen too. Very, very comfortable. There's padding on the inside of the pads here for around your head. And again, this is all kind of adjustable too around your head or mine. It should fit nicely and comfortably for you. So that is the basic unboxing of this. Again, I would recommend putting this on charge when you first get it, letting it get fully charged. That way you're ready to go for 5 to 10 hours of use then with the sound system. So one of the cool features this unit actually has is an FM tuner. So not only does it amplify your voice, but it also acts as a radio. So you can listen through the FM tuner and plug in some earbuds or headphones if you want, or just set it somewhere on your desk for FM radio. We're going to turn it on here on the side. Here's a power switch. We'll pull down. And of course, it's also your volume control too. So don't go all the way up on the volume yet. We do have a screen right here as well, showing us what station we're on. So right now it's on 104.9, not a station nearby. I'll use the keypad up here to actually tune into a station. 102.5. There we go. And crystal clear FM radio on the M700. Pretty cool. It does get really loud too.
With Walgreens. Get your free flu shot with most insurance, plus get a $5 coupon off.
This little thing packs a punch as far as audio quality goes and loudness of the audio. That wasn't even halfway up, and that is considerably loud for small areas, maybe house parties, classrooms. So it's a great size. Again, this fits in the palm of your hand, and you have a really good FM radio and sound system. So FM tuner, kind of a cool feature there. So we do have M here, which is for your mode. You can cycle through. And as I was cycling through, there's actually Bluetooth capabilities as well. So you can also hook up your phone through Bluetooth through here to play music that way. So you can kind of remotely play music from your phone onto the sound system. Push mode. And there, Bluetooth pairing right there. So go into that mode, and then you can pair it to your phone or any Bluetooth device you want to. So another surprising feature there, Bluetooth as well built into this little sound system. It's packed full of features, which is really cool. Most of the small sound systems like this, by the way, don't come with all of these features. Some may have an FM tuner, some may not. Some may have Bluetooth, some may not. In fact, I have one a little bit bigger than this, different brand. There's no Bluetooth, there's no FM tuner whatsoever, and it's more expensive than this. And this actually sounds better too. So this wins outright against my current one that I actually own. So I'll be using this definitely for events that I do for small house parties. So this is perfect if you're a fitness instructor, a teacher in a classroom setting, a magician, a clown, a juggler, any kind of entertainer where you have to have your voice amplified in a small setting, maybe like 25 to 50 people max. This is a great system for you, the M700. Now, let's try the actual headset mic. All right, so we're just gonna place this around. I've been using ones like this for a while, so this goes around your head here. This goes in front of your ear. So there's padding here, so it makes it very, very comfortable. It doesn't hurt whatsoever. You can also, of course, adjust the mic. You don't want to actually eat the microphone, by the way. You want to have it a few inches away from your mouth. Of course, you can always adjust this as you're actually using the system too for better audio. This end gets plugged into the mic jack over here. Really easy. And we're going to turn this on.
Bluetooth is waiting for a connection.
Check, check. 1, 2. So right away, it is picking up my voice. Now I had a smaller sound system from a different company, and I could only use the headset mic that was included with it through the tuner on the sound system. And I actually had to tune to like a station that had no audio. It was really strange use of the headset mic on that one. I know we get a lot of feedback all the time with it too. But this one here, I'm just in the Bluetooth mode. You can go to FM mode, of course, as well. But you'll be talking over the audio, of course. So we'll tune to 102.5 again from the nearest station. Check, check, check. So I'm actually talking right now as the radio is playing. 1, 2, 3, check, check, check. So that's kind of a cool feature in a sense. Let's go to this here. There we go. So check, 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 1, 2. And right now, this is just on a little bit of volume. Obviously, the microphone is right here too. So check, check, 1, 2. I must say, it's very crystal clear audio. There's no static whatsoever with this. Again, my other sound systems that were small, around this size, always had some kind of feedback problems or static, whether initially turning it on or even during testing or using of the microphone. But this one here, super clear, and it sounds really good, making you look and sound more professional for whatever you're doing. Again, whether you're a fitness instructor, an entertainer, this is great for you. We get a little bit of feedback there, of course, because the microphone's close to the speaker. But the more you turn this up, of course, the further you want to be away from the system. So again, this being on your belt, down at your waistline here, and the mic being up here, you shouldn't have to worry whatsoever about any kind of feedback with the mic. But really cool. And of course, you have the antenna here as well, but not really necessary for the microphone. It's probably better or more used for the FM tuner, but even that, any kind of local stations shouldn't have that even brought up for tuning in. But there you go, 1, 2, 3, check, check, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I'm really impressed by this. This is a winner for $49, guys. The WinBridge M700 comes through packed full of features. I didn't even read through the instruction manual, by the way. I kind of missed doing this off the cuff because I'm used to sound systems, been using them for a long time, and I kind of like just learning about them just by playing with them. So again, Bluetooth, FM tuner, rechargeable battery, 5 to 10 hours, great battery life, great build quality too, has everything you need for it. So check it out, the M700 through WinBridge. Thanks for watching this, guys. Hit the like button for us, subscribe, and we'll see you back here next time.